Here we are with another Las Vegas room tour. We're at Harrah's. This is the one king bed Valley Tower. Let's take a look. Plenty of mirrors in here, even with lights on them. You got the bed, nice king bed. It's actually kind of small though. Doesn't seem that big for a king, honestly. You got two little closet spaces. Let's take a look what's in it. You got the safe, hangers, my crap. You got the TV, flat screen. Unfortunately, no fridge in here. Ice bucket, some cups. A couple different pieces of artwork here. Interesting. A little desk here. Also this one, but it honestly was a little bit dirty. Nice sitting area. And once again, big mirrors everywhere. So if you are a narcissist and like to check yourself out, this is the place. Terrible view, to be honest. We're on the 5th floor, and this is one of the worst views I've had. All right, to the bathroom. Usually I do the bathroom then the room. This time we're doing the opposite. You got a sliding door here. That's a little different. Pretty basic. Sorry, camera doesn't like the lights. A lot of lights on these mirrors. Basic sink with a couple toiletries. Toilet with multi-buttons. More artwork in the shower, which is actually pretty good. Comes with your shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and then it's got this fantastic shower head. All right, I'm gonna try to do this, but I might get wet in the process. Ooh. Yeah, let's change it up. Pretty nice, actually.